Yes, sir. We back, we back, we back. Got some heat for y'all today, man. Y'all don't know about no motherfucking Bred. Y'all gonna find out today. Y'all gonna learn today, man. You heard? We got some pair of Bred ones, patent leather joints. You know what I'm saying? Word. These shits is alright, man. You know I fuck with some ones, man. I done put some miles in some ones, man. I done made some ones and some ones, you heard? I done got some bread and some breads, nigga. You heard me? No cap, nigga. Yeah. What y'all wanna know about these shits y'all don't already know, man. You ain't got a pair of these in your closet. You playing yourself. It ain't even gotta be the patent leather shit, nigga. You need just a regular pair of these in your shit. You feel what I'm saying? I had these shits for a little minute. I ain't even wear them. I was, though. I ain't gonna get me talking on some fly shit like I'm too fly to wear them. Nah, nigga, I was gonna wear these shits. It's just I ain't like the fit I put together, man. Yeah, that shit even happened to me, nigga. Yes. Yes, the holy dripper, nigga. One of the drip gods, nigga. One of the drippers that fell out the skies, nigga. The heavenly skies, nigga. Word. You know? I ain't like the fit, nigga. I took the shit off, nigga. You seen that my laces loose? Yeah, I was gonna wear these bitches, nigga. I ain't like the fit, boy. I had to pull a cord, you know what I mean? But yeah, these shits is still dope though, nigga. These shits is heat, man. You feel me? You need a pair of these in your motherfucking closet, nigga. You need a pair. You feel me? But it ain't shit else I could tell you about these shits, nigga. I mean, what else, bro? What you want? Right. Fuck it, I'ma let you know about the patent leather and shit, man. Like y'all niggas don't know about no fucking patent leather already, man. These shits is clean, man. They clean, bro. Like, get you a pair, nigga. It's cool the fuck out, man. Them shits go with whatever, man. You feel me? I could stretch this video out wild long for no motherfucking reason, man. Tell y'all a bunch of shit that y'all don't give a fuck about. Like, I mean, what's new? Yeah, they added this shit. If you wearing these sneakers, I'm gonna let you know this right motherfucking now, man. If you wearing these sneakers with this shit hanging on it, don't say what's up to me, man. Word, you see me out, don't say, matter of fact, y'all niggas don't know what the fuck I look like, and I like that. Mysterious dripper, nigga. Nah, when I get enough subs, enough y'all niggas tap in, I'm gonna send y'all motherfuckers my IG. This shit a family affair, you heard? Let y'all get the IG and shit. Yeah, I really see what's going on. See how I really put this shit together. But yeah, man, if you got that shit hanging from the side, man, I don't know if you part of the family, man, because we wouldn't do that, like, word. But yeah, man, there you have it, man. Motherfucking pair of bread ones, nigga. You feel me? Get some bread and some breads, nigga. Word. Just get your ones and some ones, nigga. You know what I mean? Word. Player had to stay ahead, nigga. What I be telling y'all niggas, man. Word. I'ma start doing some consultations and all that. Niggas be wanting to know how a nigga get into it and shit. Or a nigga be wanting to know, should I get this with this fit? Matter of fact, whenever you want some little advice and shit about some drip, man, leave that shit in the comments. It's like, I wake up in the morning, I see my YouTube emails, I answer them shits real quick, keep the day pushing. You know what I mean? Channel ain't even that big yet where I get overwhelmed with that shit, so. Alright, but we trying to grow this shit, man. So I go live and shit, different locations, bring y'all drip. Alright, you know what I mean? I shouldn't even be doing a vid right now. Like, I just left the dentist office, did a whole bunch of shit, you know what I mean? But I did this shit for the love, man, for the gang, you feel me? Mouth all swole, crazy right now. Word, but we here though, man. Tap in. Throw a nigga, what they call them shit, subs, subscribers and all that. Yeah, comment, leave a comment, nigga. Fuck with a nigga, man. Word, one stop drip shop, player had to stay ahead, nigga. Word, we about this shit, man.